Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. Today I want to share how you can make 3D wall art, and you're not going to believe how easy it is. Let's dive right on into it. For this project, I'm going to be using these two canvases, but you could use any size that you want. The first thing that you need to do is draw an outline around the canvas, and you want to place a piece of foam board underneath. If you do not have foam board, you could also use cardboard. Next, you want to use an Xacto knife or a box cutter and cut along the line you just created. You may have to cut it a couple of times to get through the foam board or the cardboard. And after that, you want to cut the piece in half again. Next, you want to take one of the strips and create right triangles. I would recommend using a ruler. Once you finish, cut along the line. If you've been watching a couple of my videos and you have not subscribed yet, please do so. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. Now that we have our shapes cut out, it's time to place them on the canvas and glue them down. When I was arranging these shapes on the canvas, I did not have a plan. I just kind of looked at it and then glued it if I liked where it was. So I would encourage you to be creative and just go with your flow and find what works right for you. Wherever you feel like it should be, place it there. If you notice, some of the shapes I've cut down because it wasn't the right size that I need. Also, I use some different shapes as well. So just be as creative as you want. After I had the shapes where I wanted it, I used Spackle to just go around the shapes as well as on the top, just to add some texture. This particular Spackle that I'm using comes in pink. Once it's dry, it turns white. Once it was dry, it looked like this. If you want to reduce the amount of texture that's on there, you could sand it. Since I'm outside, I am going to spray paint it with this Rustoleum spray paint, and the color is Driftwood. Once I finished spray painting, I just let it dry for a couple of hours, then I hung it on the wall using an oak hanger, and it turned out like this. So guys, if you love this 3D wall art and you want to see more, leave me a message in the comment section, as well as hit that like button so other people can see this video and get inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a great week.